Okay, guys, happy Easter. Oh my gosh, my face is a hot mess. All right, so the rules are the eggs that you can see are not yours, they're Maddie. Look at her, she's like, I'm ready. So, on your mark, is it on your mark?
On your mark,
Get set,
go.
Go, Maddie.
Go, Maddie. Go for your egg. Come on. Oh, no. Te muestro. Oh, Maddie. I already saw 2 eggs.
Oh, she knows.
3 eggs.
She knows.
4.
Get it, Maddie.
Mommy, this right here. Mommy, this right here.
Yeah. Oh. Really? Really, Jason? You got it? Yeah, you got an egg, baby. Yep.
I need help getting him out.
Yep, clean your basket, baby.
I need help.
Leave that one alone. Go find other ones.
I'll get there.
Go, Maddie. Come on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Here. Here. It doesn't have to be perfect, baby. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Here. Don't worry about it. Here. I'll take these out. Okay. Go. Go. Go.
Are these Maddie's? Mommy,
Huh?
is this Maddie's?
Yeah, those are Maddie's. Go, baby. Did you find another one? Yeah. You did it.
You got another one?
Did you find any, Jordan? Oops.
Don't worry. Don't worry, baby. Over there, baby.
Right there. You see it?
Here.
Egg.
Here.
I think Maddie got all the egg.
Here, Maddie. Maddie. Here.
Egg. Why does she have to yell it out every time?
Tree is mine.
Egg.
Here.
Egg.
Look it.
Egg. She lost an egg.
Maddie, you dropped an egg. That's our first year.
Be careful with that, Jason. Did you find it, baby?
I found it. Give it to her.
Did you find any more? No? Egg! Oh! Did you find any more? Egg? More egg? Oh my gosh. Egg. You got a ton of egg, girl. There's some over here, Destiny. Over here. Over here. If it's out in the open. No. In the open, like on the lawn. Did you find any more egg, Mommy? Yeah? Did you guys check that garden over there? Did you guys check that one? Over there. Did anybody check the mail? Jason did. She keeps saying egg. She found the one under the tire.
Hey.
Egg! Did they find the one by the light?
Nope.
Jordan! I got a bright idea. Ding! A light bulb went off. I got a bright idea. A light bulb went off. Where's the light bulb? Light bulb! Wait, Jordan, no, don't do that, Jaxson. It's Jackson's. Thank you. Whose basket? Dude, you only got 3 eggs? Oh my gosh. Jackson only had 3 eggs.
Eggs, Jack?
Did you guys check on the tires?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you can put it in. It's fine. The eggs are fine. Those are trash anyways. Did you guys check inside the garden? Underneath the leaves? Wow. Oh.
No. Mine.
They got it already, Jack. They just got it.
Oh, he has chocolate.
Jack.
Por eso lo metimos para adentro.
Chocolate. Ahora podés comer chocolate. Are you serious? Your breath smells like
Mari.
chocolate.
Mari,
Egg.
por eso lo metimos para adentro. Mari,
No sé qué cardíaco. El corazón late tan rápido que se
chocolate.
dispara.
¿No?
She's like, is it in an
¿Quién lo dejó salir afuera al choque?
No sé si recién la saqué yo. Recién.
egg?
Él se sentó ahí, no, él no ha andado por acá.
No, él salió recién hace una
Yeah.
y estuvo acá caminando. Yo lo subí acá a la maca ahora.
Okay.
Maddie.
Lunch is served. We got mac and cheese.
Here, Maddie.
We have milanesas.
Cracking
We have avocado salad with tomato.
Put your eggs.
Then we have potato salad.
making
And then we
like
have
some delicious eggs.
what are
Made
these?
of candy,
Juice,
orange juice, and
Yeah, just
Here,
juice.
Maddie.
Don't do
Ooh.
that.
oh, sorry.
Hey, you don't want to eat?
I love those.
You don't want to eat?
Jason, why were you trying to
Why not?
We don't know.
egg open?
And then we have Miss Madison here, the winner
Oh.
of the egg hunt.
Excuse me.
Madison beat them out, and this is her first year. This is her first year, right?
Yes.
This was her first year collecting eggs, and she's the winner.
Yes.
And I only put 8 eggs out,
Listen,
so
if you don't eat your food,
Yeah.
you don't eat your chocolate.
I actually have 26.
You gotta eat your food.
She has 23.
I did. I put my hair, put my hair up.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head.
happy Easter, guys! Happy Easter! We're back in the house. We came home and it was raining a little bit. We just came out of in Maryland. It was raining. So we just got home, getting ready to do laundry, I believe, and put away all these candies because these kids think they're gonna sit here all day long eating candy. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. Not today, not in my lifetime. But I want to show you guys something. Hubby went ahead and got some artwork for the kids' room. I will show you Destiny's because it's down here. How pretty is that? This is for Miss Destiny. She chose it. I got it from Home Goods. I paid $25. And this is going over her bed. I think it's a little girlish because Destiny's about to be 11 this year. But she liked it. And Jackson's already up in his room. And I'm working on the bathroom. Cabinets. So I painted my bathroom the same color as my island. I painted it this color. So I put this guy on there, the clear sealing wax, and this is the paint for anyone asking. It's Divine Greystone on here. So that's that, and this is going back up tomorrow. I have to finish up the bathroom so I can do a reveal on it. Guys, it's a whole nother day. Hey, come back in. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys my refrigerator. When we first moved in here, I did not like this refrigerator. A year later, and I love it. I love this thing because it fits so much, and I love these drawers. Like, look how I can fit the kids, all the kids' mandarin, their applesauces, their fruit cups, everything in here because there's a ton of fruit cups down here. And this is 3 bags of halos, and they fit all in here, and it's also accessible for the little toddler. And then I keep all their yogurt, their Yo-Tubes or whatever, and their jellos and their puddings all in here. And then I have lunch meat here. All the lunch meats are here, and eggs, and then this is my little section right back there. The milks, the cheese, all of it fits. Still got Christmas cookies here, and a ton of Easter candy. In their Easter baskets, I've hidden them because they want to eat the whole. But I'm just saying, guys, I am in love with the little basic fridge. Like, I'm in love with it. You have to appreciate the little things in life. And right now, this is my little thing. I was so caught up with wanting to change this thing and not, seeing it for what it is. I mean, grant you, when I do get my refrigerator, the one that I really want, I will put this out in the garage and not get rid of it because it has a ton of space and there's no reason why I should get rid of it. I'm making my steak, my salmon steak. Anybody else makes a mess when they cook? Oh my gosh, am I gonna be able to flip it? I burnt it. Why is it? I burnt it. I was too busy and I burnt my steak. Oh. But it's still edible. Still edible. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch.